Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Toshoya and I'm a certified personal trainer. And here on this channel, we talk about all things related to health, wellness, self-care, and of course, fitness. So on this channel, you'll find tips, tricks, and just some information related to fitness and anything that helps you progress along your self-development journey. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about journaling. More specifically, we're gonna talk about journaling for beginners. So this video is for anyone that has been thinking about journaling or someone that has started journaling but just needs a little bit more direction, or for anybody who is just interested in learning more about journaling altogether, as it is a really beneficial tool to help you along your self-care journey or self-development journey, okay? So with all that said, let's get right into the video. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna go over the basics of journaling. So what is journaling? What are the benefits of journaling? Why you should implement it into your life? And obviously, of course, how to get started. So there are two methods of journaling that I typically use most of the time, and that's reflective journaling and gratitude journaling. Both methods are amazing. They both serve their purpose, but for this video, we're only going to be covering reflective journaling, okay? But if you do want to hear more about gratitude journaling, I will be more than happy to make a video about that, because gratitude journaling has changed a lot in my life, and it is amazing to do, and I think that everybody should do that as well, in addition to reflective journaling. So if you want to know more about that, definitely let me know, and I'll be happy to create a video with some useful information, okay? So what is journaling? Journaling is simply the act of writing out your innermost thoughts and feelings. It's giving yourself the opportunity to reflect on your day-to-day experiences. And by reflecting on your day-to-day experiences, you're actually able to gain a better understanding of the things that, let's say, made you happy, made you sad, or upset you. And when you gain a better understanding of the things that changed your emotions or changed your mood, you're actually giving yourself the opportunity to have a better and a deeper understanding of yourself, which is why I personally believe that everyone should take the time to journal each day or a couple times out of the week, because consistently reflecting on your day and just understanding what you felt throughout that day can really help you overcome a lot, and it can actually help you progress a lot in life. So it's really important that you sit with your thoughts and your feelings and always dig deeper to understand what's really going on, because it all starts with you. So what are the benefits of journaling? Journaling has been shown to help reduce anxiety, it helps reduce depression, it improves your overall mood, it helps improve your emotional well-being, and most importantly, it helps to improve your self-awareness. That is a huge thing I think people should take away from this. If you take away anything, journaling helps improve your self-awareness. And journaling also helps to accept your negative emotions and negative situations a lot easier, rather than just judging them for what they are. And research has also shown that accepting your negative emotions and accepting your negative situations can actually help reduce negative effect. Meaning, your negative situations and emotions are no longer going to have a strong hold over you. They're not going to be as impactful as they were once before. And I can say personally that is 100% true, because I no longer ruminate on my negative situations or emotions, and things kind of just slide off of me now. And things that are deemed negative, I don't deem them as negative anymore, because it is what it is, and I don't let things affect me. Trust me, I used to let a lot affect me, and now I don't let a lot of things affect me anymore. It's a lot easier for me to just move on. So if you have a hard time moving on with certain things, journaling is definitely for you. So when should you journal? Reflective journaling should be done every day at the end of your day, so you can take the time to reflect. Now, I understand that every day might sound like a lot, and that's okay. If you want, you can start with 3 to 4 times a week, as research does show that 3 to 4 times a week does work as well. But it's better to try to do it every day as much as possible. And even if you're not sure of what to write, just start with 1 sentence or 2 sentences, just to get yourself in the habit of writing every single day. So for example, it's best to get a journal and just keep it like by your bedside, or keep it on your bed, so that way you know before you go to sleep, you have to write in this journal. again, a sentence is okay, just to get yourself in the habit of writing every day. An example of a few prompts could be, what is one thing I would like to remember from today? Another prompt can be, how did today make me feel? Let's say if you felt so happy today or excited about just throughout the whole day, you can write that down and just understand, okay, what did I do today? I got up pretty early, I went for a walk, I did XYZ. And by writing those things down, you're able to see clearly that this is what you did. And you can go ahead and repeat those activities throughout your day so that way you can get the same results of happiness, okay? And then if you, let's say, were sad throughout the day, or if you're bothered throughout the day, again, writing it down, looking at it on paper will show you, okay, I did this, this, and that. Maybe when you go back and reflect, maybe I won't do that thing again. Maybe I'll do something differently this time, so that way you're not going to end up sad the next day, right? Like I was saying before, journaling, reflective journaling, gives you a better understanding of yourself. Once you understand what makes you sad, what makes you happy, you're able to maneuver and, let's say, repeat the same results to be happy again, or stop doing a certain task to avoid being in that same negative state. So that's why it's so important to just take the time with yourself, sit down at night and just journal what happened throughout the day so you can produce the same results of, let's say, a good emotion, or change your day-to-day routine so that way you don't have to produce the same negative emotion. So how do you journal, or where do you journal? So journaling can be done in a number of ways. You can either do it digitally. You can either do it with a tablet or on your phone in your notes app. However, pen to paper is the more traditional method, and I prefer using pen to paper as well. I prefer using my notebooks, as research has shown that writing physically pen to paper does have a positive effect on your higher brain functions, such as your memory, visual imagery, and language during the retrieval process of specific information. Meaning that when you take the time to reflect on your day and recall what happened, it'll actually be much easier for you to do, as opposed to putting your journaling in your tablet or your notes in your phone. So you can't say there is no power in the pen, okay? So take the time to just write out your day, and even if you have like terrible writing, that's okay. Just write away. So you can always buy your journal online or at your local bookstore. I like to get my journals from Chapters. This one's actually from the dollar store. So you can just, honestly, wherever you want to get your notebook from, it doesn't matter, as long as it's paper and a pencil or pen, okay? I use pen, but again, it doesn't matter. So get a notebook or a sheet of paper and just start journaling away. So to sum this all up, journaling has so many benefits. Some of them include, again, reduce anxiety, depression, improving your overall mood, and the biggest takeaway, I think the biggest one to remember, is it improves your self-awareness. So if you're actually trying to just, if you're on your self-development journey or just trying to be better every day, journaling is a good tool to keep so that way you can progress along your journey. So journaling for me, it has helped me improve with understanding of myself. It helped me to, again, regulate my mood. It helped me I have to say, I'm a very emotional person, just understanding that too. I didn't know I was emotional until I started journaling a bit more and taking the time to really reflect on it. I'm pretty emotional, but I'm just saying all that to say, journaling has helped me a lot throughout my journey, just at becoming better and just understanding myself a lot more. So journaling can help you too. So just take the time to really just carve out that time in your day, well, mostly at night, to just journal, especially if you want to grow emotionally and mentally. So it can take a lot of courage and effort, but it will all be worth it, I promise, okay? So if you liked today's video, if you enjoyed today's topic and found this information to be useful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you thought. Regardless, I will continue to make helpful content because that's what I really want to do. I love helping people, whether it be through the fitness journey or self-care journey or self-development journey. I want to help people and see people grow and be the best that they can be, okay? Because I really do believe that everybody can and should reach their potential, myself included. So if you're interested in seeing more helpful content, please hit that subscribe button below so that way I can keep giving you guys more helpful content. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. You have a blessed and beautiful day. See you later.